Hello everyone, I just wanted to put together a quick video to show everyone the new setup to sign up for our Zoom meetings. So my Zoom office hours will stay from 9 to 9:30 and 1 to 1:30. It just will be run a little differently. So from now on I will still post my Zoom meeting IDs and the Zoom link for the week. But with that I'll also post a Sign Up Genius link. So you'll click on sign up for Zoom meeting and it'll bring you to signupgenius.com. And this is a way that I can track who wants to join the group Zoom meetings. So this is how they will run now. From 9 to 9:15 it will be a group Zoom meeting. So however many students join that group from that time period is who will get the overview of the check-in and what's going on for the day or the week. Then from 9:15 to 9:30 would be the individual conference Zoom time. So this is where I will utilize the waiting room feature in Zoom and I will pull students one by one in and out to check in one-on-one with me. So this time will be used to check in on assignments or to ask me any specific questions that you have specifically to you and your experience. Then again, you'll see it for the 1 to 1:30 slot. So 1 to 1:15 would be the group meeting, and then 1:15 to 1:30 would be your chance to meet with me individually. So this is for Monday, Tuesday, and then if it were a normal week and not a spring break week, it would be the rest of the days of the week would be below. So you can sign up for like every day of the week all at once. You can sign up day by day. It's up to you. So you would hit sign up for the 9:15 group if you wanted to join that, and you also can sign up for the individual conference if you had to ask me questions afterwards. You can just sign up for an individual conference, or you can just sign up for the group conference. Whatever works for you. And make sure you're checking the time. So if you want just the group Zooms for the 9 and the 1 o'clock slot, so you check both. Then you hit submit and sign up. Remember, you can sign up for other days and dates as well. You hit submit and sign up. It asks you to add your first and last name and then your email. And you can use your school email for that. And then you'll just hit sign up now. And that is how you can schedule your Zoom meeting so that I know who is attending and who needs an individual conference.